No one fully prepares you for what life is really like after hip replacement surgery. And I want to share this with honesty, but also with hope. Because while your life does change, it doesn't mean it's over. In my last video, I talked about how I changed the way I eat after my health crisis and surgeries. And part of that decision came from this realization. I wasn't going back to the body that I had before. I had to learn to take care of the one that I have now. So I want to share 3 truths about life after hip replacement. And these aren't meant to scare you. They're meant to help you move forward with awareness and intention. Truth number 1. You don't go back to who you were before surgery. You adapt to a new normal. Your body now includes artificial joints, and those joints have limitations. And for me, that meant learning how to move differently. And this began during physical therapy as I was learning to walk again while my body was swollen and bruised and in severe pain. I learned how to sit, stand, and even travel differently. And by becoming friends with the titanium parts that were helping me and allowing me to lift my leg, that was really challenging. And even getting in and out of a tub, in and out of a car, and being able to walk confidently up and down stairs again, that took much longer than I imagined. I also learned how to avoid things like dislocation or unnecessary strain. It's not about fear, it's about awareness. You don't go back, you move forward differently. Truth number 2, your body has been through a major event and it needs ongoing support. Surgery doesn't fix everything. Surgery, this gives you a second chance. And what you do after surgery matters. And for me, that meant paying attention to my weight. My surgeon and my doctor emphasized that even 5 pounds of excess weight can place up to 20 pounds of pressure on our joints. And that led me to supporting my joints through nutrition and doing everything I can to avoid additional surgeries. From the beginning, being a proactive patient gave me a sense of control during a very frightening time. And I continue to ask plenty of questions during every medical appointment, simply to understand and be informed. I see this as a long-term relationship with my health. It was never going to be a one-time fix. With joint replacement, your body has been through something significant and it deserves ongoing care. Truth number 3. Your body may not feel the same again, and that can be difficult to accept. Some people cope by disconnecting or relying heavily on medication just to get through the day. For me, I chose a different path. Weaning myself off pain medication was essential. I wanted less brain fog and to wake up my sluggish colon, since I knew that the painkillers were making healthy digestion difficult. I learned to tune into my body, what I call my bionic body, and I pay special attention to how I feel, what my body is telling me, and what it needs from me each day. That awareness has become my greatest tool. These 3 truths are what life really looks like after hip replacement and how all joint replacement recipients can move forward with confidence. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Tiffany Anderson. I'm a health educator and I'm the founder of Anderson Therapeutics. I became a patient at one time and I'm now a bionic woman. My channel shares my holistic approach to health and how I am living well with my own joint replacements and better managing my chronic conditions. Tuning into my body and adjusting to this new normal, this has allowed me to have a quality of life that I am content with. And my videos, my website, and my resource guides, they're all designed to encourage and invite you to join me on a journey to improved health. This isn't about limitation. It's about learning how to live well in the body you have right now. I travel often. I am cooking nourishing and empowering meals for myself. And I'm enjoying life and aging solo with dignity and grace. I just do it with more intention. This video is part of a series called Butternut to Bionic, where I'm sharing a simple framework that helped me to rebuild my health step by step. In the next video, I'll share more about the lifestyle changes that helped me support my new normal and how I've built routines that actually work for me. Take a look in the description. I've added some free resources for you. If you're navigating life after joint replacement, you're not alone. And with the right awareness and support, you can still build a life that feels full and meaningful. Thanks for watching. Be well.